guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to present to you my latest creation, the Koenigsegg Gemera. This car is based on the latest model of Koenigsegg, which is the very first 4-seater mega car ever made. I won't discuss much about the real car, you can Google it later on, but now I would like to show you more about my first 8-stud white car. The building process for this is very short, actually. I guess that's the difference between a 7-stud and an 8-stud white car, although the scale of the length is almost the same. Okay, so let's check now all the details and functions that I included on this build. First is the wiper, which blocks the front cover. Okay, so let's open it up. Next are the doors. Technically it's called Koenigsegg Automated Twisted Synchro Helix Actuation Doors, or a CATSAT. If you can remember my previous larger scale car, the Koenigsegg Jesco and CCX, the movement of the doors are the same, although the mechanism is converted into a smaller range. Next is the rear cover, which covers the engine and the bag cabin. I will show you more about it later on. You can display this with all the doors closed, but I personally prefer it all to be open and showing the interior details. And now here comes the bags. The actual Gemera have 4 bags, mine was only 3. Well, due to its scale, I guess I can only put 3. Let's put it all inside the car. Okay, so let's close it all down. So this is the engine, which is still visible from the outside. And these are the exhaust pipes. And here are the bags. The next feature is the interior. As I have said earlier, this is a 4-seater mega car. Aside from the seats, I also included the center aisle, the dashboard, and the steering wheel. It's quite spacious inside, actually. Because of the panoramic view of the roof, you can see the interior from the outside. And finally, the latest feature that I included here, is the removable drivetrain. This is my first attempt to do such a thing. The reason is because I want to show the drivetrain, of course, as a separate build from the main body, and also to display the entire engine details. And in case that you try to build this in the future and your friends visited your house, check all your Lego collection, and he or she saw the Gemera, you can ask your friend, do you want to see the engine? And 2 seconds later, you separated the body from the drivetrain and you showcase the exposed engine. Okay, so let's put back the center island. Okay. The best part here is that the separation is very easy, and the attachment as well. And that's it. It's already attached to the drivetrain is already attached to the body. So what do you think? Comment below what you think about my Gemera. Any feedbacks are much appreciated. I would love to read your comments, suggestions, questions, or maybe donations. Yeah, donation is nice. I need some parts for my next build. So there you have it, another addition to my small scale cars collection. And here's the Porsche Bugatti Chiron. Okay, the Mustangs. I got 2 Mustangs. The other one is I forgot the version. The Vicious. Yeah, I remember now. And lastly, the Land Rover Defender 90. All of them have the instruction in the Rebrickable.com except for the Bugatti Chiron. Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time, and do check out my other creation. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. The instruction for the Gemera is now available at Rebrickable.com, or you can message me or leave a comment below if you are interested. Check out the sample page from the instruction book of the Gemera at the end of this video. Thank you and have a nice day.